presentation for tonight. So Miss Donna, are you ready to lead our 1 minute meditation? She's going to do our 1 minute meditation and our health minute. And then I'll do the introduction, and then we'll get started with our guest speaker for this evening.
Let's get started. 1 minute meditation. I'm going to put the 1 minute on. You won't hear or see anything, but here we go. I want everybody to take a nice breath here. Nice deep breath, and just breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And take 2 more breaths like that, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just focusing in on the breath. Now I want you to think about softness coming over your face. The softness in your cheekbones, the softness in your jaw. Let that softness melt down your neck, your shoulders. Coming back up, feeling it all the way down. Support it. Now take 1 deep breath here. And exhale. I hope you are ready. That is your 1 minute meditation.
Thank you, Sister Donna.
You're welcome. Now moving on to our health minute. I need you all to guess what delicious vegetable I am talking about. It has flowers and it has stems that we can eat. And this is the time of the year it's harvested. And we can cook so many different things with it. Any guesses in the chat? It's got sweet flower. Yeah, we can eat the flowers and the stems of this one. So this has stems on it. But you're almost close. Flowers and stems. Oh, we got zucchini. Some bok choy. Okay, I see that. All right, I'm gonna give y'all one more guess. Come on. Beets? Those are probably all very good. This was green. How about that? Thank you. Somebody just said, what color are the flowers? All right. If you did not guess, but you're gonna guess right now. Ta-da! Can y'all see that? Broccoli. Oh my gosh. Yes. Broccoli. So this time of year, it gets cool. Broccoli is the best. I remember when I was young, my grandmother died. My maternal grandmother died. And my mom, I'm about to make a salad. And my mom, all of a sudden our diet changed after my grandmother died. And what came into our diet was 2 things. Whole wheat bread and broccoli. Whole wheat bread and broccoli came into our diet. And my mom loved broccoli. To this day, she will eat broccoli every day at least. Now, what I've learned since is that broccoli is a powerful antioxidant, and it's rich in those antioxidants. Contains glucosinate, and it turns into a compound called isothiocyanates. And these isothiocyanates, studies have shown that the compound can help prevent cancers such as colon cancer, which is what my grandmother passed away of, and prostate cancer, as well as breast cancer. So in this month that we're talking about cancer, breast cancer, this is what you need to put in your diet, some broccoli. And we are wonderful at growing that, right, ladies? Because we are pharmacists. And sometimes I take issue with them saying the best prevention is detection. No, it isn't. The best prevention is to get in foods that prevent cancer. So I have mixed my broccoli up with some fried mushrooms, onions, roasted pecan, almonds, and sunflower seeds, and celery. Let me make sure I got everything. Beets and carrots, a little bit, and raisins. And oh, let me not forget, I put beets in there. Did I say beets already? All right, beets. And I'm just mixing it up. And It's going to be delicious. I wish you were here, but it's just another easy recipe for us to get our health, because our food is our medicine and our medicine is delicious. It doesn't need a label because it has just one ingredient, each one of them. Thank you. That's your health minute for today.